My name is Trevor Nicholls and my company is called the Leaflet Delivery Company. I first started using Jonathan Vowles Chartered Accountant when I met Jonathan at a networking event. At that time I was looking to sell a company, a franchise that I owned, and needed some help and advice on how to sell it properly and to minimise my tax liability. I decided to carry on using Jonathan Vowles when I was very impressed with the work that he did for me with the disposal of the business. It resulted in a zero capital gains tax liability, which obviously I was very pleased with. So I decided to carry on in my new business that I was setting up. I decided to carry on using Jonathan for my day-to-day tax and accounting affairs. I've used previous accountants before to various different successes. The last one that I used, we had an absolute nightmare with. My accounts weren't being filed on time, my annual returns weren't being filed on time, and I was constantly chasing them to sort them out and sort out the fines that unfortunately my company then incurred from the tax offices. So I decided to move to Jonathan Vowles. So what I found now is I'm actually prompted to return all the information well in time for any deadlines that we have, and I'm chased for all the information rather than me chasing the accountant, which is a much better use of my time. What I would say is that if anyone is considering either an accountant for a new business or for moving their accountant, I'd fully recommend Jonathan and his team. I've been very impressed with the level of communication and the promptness that inquiries are dealt with, and the fact that I've got a helping hand. If I need some advice, I can pick up the phone and speak to somebody who actually knows about their subject and puts it into plain English.